I wanted to make a video about Tesla today because it's had such a ridiculous move in such a short period of time. I'm going to review this live with you, but if you're interested in getting more of this, just follow here at Bootleg Macro. We do videos like this probably 3-4 times a week. And I'm looking at Tesla, and what we have is this weekly chart. Now, one of the things that you'll notice is that this only goes through last Friday. And the reason we do that is because we don't want to be so focused on what happens during the day. We want to be able to look at historical data. But when we look at the weekly here on this bullish sentiment indicator, you can see that it says 61% slow, weak, bullish percent. That's an incredible move. And if you don't think it's incredible, look back to the last time that you see that the green bar was even up that high. It was in November of 2021. And the highest bar was here at 70% on November 5th of 2021. Oh, let's look at the chart. That was the high of Tesla in 2021. And we are seeing a very similar move currently in the weekly bar. Now, on the daily move, it's going to look even more extreme. When we look at it on the daily, you can see this thing is already at 70%, which of course, this is not a logarithmic chart, so it does look not as much as aggressive of a move as it has been, but it is up over 150% essentially, or 100% since January of 2023. It's the middle of June, people. When you think about the size and the scope of the market cap that has moved in Tesla, it is absolutely enormous. And to be honest, I respect it. Like, I get freaked out talking about Tesla because when you look at it, the fanboys, I mean, look at this volume that you're looking at. This has a movement. This isn't just a belief in a company or belief in a CEO or a founder. This is the belief in the future that is created specifically by Tesla. It is reflected in the stock price. Look at the volatility here. This is where the volatility is the red bar. The price correlation is the blue bar. The volatility in Tesla right now is ridiculously high. It's as high as it was in February. And in February, of course, it was coming off of these lows and it was turning around completely. This is when it essentially was breaking out to the new highs after it had just come off of the lows at the end of 2022. This is a remarkable move to see. And on the weekly, what we see is that the volatility is just starting to break out, which means this move could go so much further, so much farther than we think. Now, if it starts to turn down, that's my concern. But tell me what you think. Are you long? Are you short? Do you like it? Do you love it? Is this even a good review? I'll talk to you soon.